Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to make Google Play Store account on your Android mobile. Guys, when you buy a new phone and when you open your Google Play Store, you will see this option, sign in Google Play Store. How to make Google Play Store account on your Android mobile. So keep watching this video until then. First of all, click on sign in and simply verify with your pattern. Here is and now guys, tap on create account. If you have already Google account, you can sign in. I have not click on create account for my personal use, and here is enter your first name then last name. My name is Muhammad Alam. Here is click on next and enter your date of birth. Here uh, click on gender. Now next again, and here is guys, make a Gmail account you want to make. Similarly, by me, enter your some numerical numbers and click on next and enter your password. Now I have created my password. Click on next and here is now guys, scroll up and simply yes I am in, and next again, and here is I agree. Now guys, your Google Play Store account has been created successfully. You can see appears on screen. Simply accept here. Backup my your device data, and so guys, simply click on accept again, and you can see your Play Store account has been created. So I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.